Hello. In this video, I will give you feedback about this heading, nice animated heading, which you are seeing now. Um, and this is for Shopify store. It will support all Shopify free and paid themes. You can easily integrate with your store and themes. Let's check it from theme customization panel. So here we can see this is the heading, and if you go to the options, here is we can change the color of this full section, and we can change the heading color, actually the heading, the stroke color, and we can change also the this animation color here. If you change it, let's change it the background, and if we just deactivate this animation, you can uncheck it, and this will be another heading. This is full solid heading, and if we have another version. If we change uh, the heading color, if we change it, this all this, and if we just change it here. So it's actually three version. One is solid color, and another is like this stroke color, and another is with the animation. I think it's a cool header. You can use it anywhere of your page. Like its use case is like this banner, and this is the heading of this banner. And if we use another section like the collection, and you can just remove it, and you can use it as the heading for this section collection. Okay, so this is the heading you can use, and if you check the code, it's no libraries or no framework. It's just a CSS, this content, and this keyframe for animations, and this is the HTML code, content, and heading one, and use the second one is as a animation, and this is the schema of heading. So if you need it, you just type this code in your section, and you will get the same animated cool heading for your store, Shopify store. And if you need the code, you can just comment out below of the YouTube video, and I will reach you soon. Thanks for watching.